Hello everyone, let us solve first main third problem of chapter quadratic equation. The given quadratic equation is 2x square minus 6x plus 3 is equal to 0. First we need to compare the given quadratic equation, that is 2x square minus 6x plus 3 is equal to 0 with the standard form of quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We get a is equal to, that is coefficient of x square, 2, b is equal to coefficient of x minus 6, and c is equal to constant term, that is 3. Now to find the nature of the roots, we need to find its discriminant value, that is d is equal to b square minus 4ac. Let us substitute the values and let us find the discriminant value. D is equal to b square minus 6 whole square minus 4 into 2 into c value is 3. So d is equal to 36 minus 4 to the 8, 8 3 is 24. So d value is 36 minus 24, that is 12. That implies discriminated delta value is greater than 0. That implies roots are real and distinct. We will get two different roots. If the roots exist, we need to find them. Let us apply the quadratic formula. X is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. X is equal to minus b value is minus 6 plus or minus b square minus 6 whole square minus 4 into a value is 2 into c. C value is 3 whole divided by 2 into 2. So x is equal to minus of minus plus 6 plus or minus 6 whole square is plus 36 minus 4 to the 8, 8 3 is 24 whole divided by 2 to the 4. X value is 6 plus or minus 36 minus 24 root 12 divided by 4. So x value is 6 plus or minus, so 12 I can write it as 4 into 3 whole divided by 4. X is equal to 6 plus or minus 2 root 3 divided by 4. That implies x one root is x is equal to 6 plus 2 root 3 divided by 4, or x value is 6 minus 2 root 3 divided by 4. X is equal to, let me take HCF of 6 and 2 is 2, 3 plus root 3 divided by 4, or x is equal to, take 2 as a common, 3 minus root 3 divided by 4. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. That implies x value is 3 plus or minus root 3 whole divided by 2. That implies one root is x is equal to 3 plus root 3 divided by 2, or another root is x is equal to 3 minus root 3 divided by